chord progression, right? All right, so this is a very, very sweet thing you can add to your chord playing. So I'm going to show you two patterns for major and minor. Whenever you're playing major chords, you can use this shape. Now, what are my major chords? Remember, I said in our major scale, we can play our 1, 4, and 5 as majors, and then our 2, 3, 6 as minors. So your 1, your 4, and your 5 majors, and your 2, 3, and 6 are minors, right? So we're playing the key of C, and our 1, 4, and 5 are your C, F, and G. So we're playing them as majors. Yep. Then our D, E, and A minor, I'm playing them as minors. So for the majors, we're using this suspended pattern. So what I'm simply playing is Do, So, Do, Re. Now the guitar is a very, very sweet instrument. All you have to do is to move one pattern to the root, and then it gives you the same family or tone or quality of sound you want to hear. So when I play my C, if I want to play my F, instead of struggling to play it, I'll just simply move this same shape to F. So the main idea is to get the shape of one, and you simply move it up and down to other positions, right? So our C, Do, So, Do, Re, right? So and what is giving it that sweet sound is how I'm picking. So I'm doing down, down, down. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. I'm picking 5, 4, 3, then up. The same thing with the other one. And then I'm using my whammy bar. Woo. Come on. Come on. Oh my God. So this is the same thing. So instead of our, okay, after our 4, so your 5 uses the same shape. So I'm not using a pedal, guys. I don't have a pedal right now. You guys should pray for me to get a pedal. So alright. So that's all for the majors. Now for the minors, we're using this shape. It's gotten from our A minor shape. Just move it simply to where there's your D minor. So your D minor 7th. Now I've thought about how to play 7th chord. That's major and minor. So all you have to do to play a minor 7th chord when you are on the 5th string here is just take out your little finger. So when I play like this, it is my D minor. But when I take out this little finger, it's now my D minor 7. So then, like I said, your 2, 3, and 6, your Re, Mi, and La, they use the same shapes. So my Re, Mi, and La, the same shape, right? So D minor 7, it means that this is my D minor 7, this is my E minor 7, and my A minor 7. What is giving it that dynamics is how I'm picking. Number 1, down, 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 up, then so down, down, up, so down, down, up, down, down, up, right? So another thing I'm doing is to hammer on. So I'm, can you see? Hammer on, up. So hammer on, up. Can you see that? I'm hammering to 10. So it's very easy. So this is how to spice up your chords. So when you do that, now if you play all of that together, we have something like so 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, the 1. So there's something I'm also doing. So instead of doing my 2, I'm doing, can you see? I'm hammering on a fret after. So then I'll pick the last note, the first string. So then I'll do the same thing for here. So then I'll pick the first string. So yeah, so this is very, very important in playing stuff like R&B, neo soul, or like soul if you want to like play spicy stuff, right? Yeah. Yeah, so these are some of the things you can add. So I've created a video on how to play your major 7th and minor 7th chord. So after watching this video and you don't understand, or if you want to watch more like this, just ensure you watch that video so that you understand the basic concept from scratch, how these chords are formed properly. And if you enjoyed this video, ensure you hit the subscribe button and notifications, and go through my channel because I have a lot, over 700 and something videos teaching you how to solo, play chords and whatnot. Guys, you have a lot to get from this channel, so hit on that subscribe button and see you in the next video.